Most people pay for scanning apps every single month without realizing their phone can already do the exact same thing for free. Yes, free. No extra apps, no subscriptions, and no watermarks. In this video, I'll show you how to scan documents into clean, professional PDFs using built-in features on your phone, whether you're using an iPhone or Android. Let's start with iPhone users. If you're using an iPhone, you already have a powerful document scanner built right into the Notes app. Open the Notes app and create a new note. Then tap the camera icon and choose Scan Documents. Now just point your camera at the paper. Your iPhone will automatically detect the edges, straighten the page, correct perspective, and adjust lighting, all in real time. You don't need to press anything. It captures the scan automatically when it detects the document. You can scan multiple pages in one go, reorder them, crop if needed, adjust brightness or contrast, and when you're done, save everything as a single PDF instantly. You can then share it, email it, upload it, or store it, all without installing a single extra app. Now let's talk about Android. Most Android phones also support document scanning for free, either through the Camera app or Google Drive. The easiest method is using Google Drive. Open Google Drive, tap the plus icon, and select Scan. Just like on iPhone, your phone will automatically detect document edges, improve clarity, remove shadows, and convert everything into a clean PDF. You can scan receipts, homework, contracts, forms, invoices, pretty much anything, and save or share it instantly. So here's the big question. Why do so many people still pay for scanning apps? Because many paid apps advertise features your phone already has, like auto crop, brightness correction, edge detection, and PDF export. For everyday use, the built-in scanner is more than enough. Now, when should you actually consider a paid scanning app? Only if you need advanced features, like OCR for very large documents, automated cloud workflows, searchable text across hundreds of pages, or team collaboration tools. But for normal daily use, receipts, paperwork, school documents, signed forms, paying monthly just to scan documents is unnecessary. Before installing another app or starting another subscription, always check what your phone can already do. Thanks for watching. If this video was useful for you, make sure to subscribe so you never miss our upcoming content.